What's up, guys? Sorry I had the mic muted. Bzilla here. Go ahead and hit that like button. Hit that subscribe. If you guys aren't subscribed, Apex 80% off. We have one more day. It ends Monday night, I'm pretty sure. Guys, take advantage of that. Going to be go live trading on Tuesday. So let's get funded Tuesday through Friday. Let's make that funded. So just want to do a quick look ahead, see what things we're looking at. Go ahead and look at the. Well, let's start ES and NQ, and then we'll go from there. ES definitely ranging. We're holding above 4565, 4560. Definitely gonna put that level on watch. 4560. Look at our daily. Everyone was looking at this candle with the upper wick. Looking pretty bearish, and then boom, they pull bullish. Main thing I want to see is if we're able to get above this high. This is going to be pretty big. That's going to be big. If we can't, it looks like we'll start turning in kind of looks like a head and shoulders. There's your shoulder. Let me turn that off. Shoulder, there's your head, and possibly this could be the shoulder. If we don't make that high, we have to make a higher high right here. We made a lower low, so let's see what's going to happen. Pretty much range. Definitely going to be watching the range. Probably see some double-sided action. When we get up here, definitely not looking to go long. And if we get down here, definitely not looking to go short. Just play back and forth in the range. Overall, definitely watching if we do sell off this level right here, 4,500. Definitely a resistance where we broke above, tested support, continued up. So definitely if we come back, definitely watching that retest right there. ES has been lagging a little bit. Go ahead and look at NQ. NQ, we had that retest. There's that test right here. So NQ looks pretty good. There's that resistance broke out. One test, two test. But the main thing is if we're gonna create a new range area above our previous range. Monthly ends tomorrow, Monday, so pretty strong monthly candle. Of course, we're most likely not gonna close at the highs. Look at the weekly. Weekly, definitely pretty strong. We'll go switch over to ES1. This is what I'm kind of looking at. ES1, that 4546. Definitely want to see a test of that. That's going to be our 0.786 fib from our all-time high to our recent low back in October. Here's that. Well, this was after the fact, but that 0.618 test right there. But we moved it down here. We came up that 0.618, kind of consolidated around it for 4 weeks, and where we were able to push up. Earnings are a big watch. We have the big one, SoFi Monday morning. Of course, that's going to be in already. We have AMD, Starbucks, pins. That's going to be definitely big ones. PayPal, Shopify, Ucom, Oxy, Robinhood could help coin and all that. And then Thursday, of course, the big daddies, Amazon, Apple, Coin, Square, Airbnb. DraftKings on Thursday. They usually do Friday morning. That's very interesting right there. Net. So Thursday night, definitely going to be the crazy time. So definitely watching kind of a run up into earnings, and let's see what's going to happen here. So we're looking at Apple. I have my estimated moves on here. I'll send this out in the morning. The overall estimated moves. Basically, last week we hit our SPX estimated move. Well, let's go to SPX first. We hit our SPX estimated move like right here, 45.82. Tell as soon as we hit it, on Wednesday. We rejected, and then we just hung around it. I can tell you Apple estimated move last week was like not 196.48. Bring that up to go over that. And this was last week's. So estimated move was 196.78. So when we hit 196.78 right here, what did we do? We sold off pretty hard. So I'm definitely watching going forward these estimated moves. Definitely good to just keep them on your chart. You know, it doesn't hurt anything to put them on the chart. SPX was 4,600. So if we go to SPX, 4,600 was right here. Look what we did when we hit 4,600. We sold off. This has been 2 weeks in a row, so I'm kind of waiting for that one that doesn't work like this. Apple definitely looks like, you know, a nice, decent move could happen. These are pricing in 4%, so big thing on there. A lot of consolidation on Apple right here. Nothing crazy. I think I'm in Apple longs. AMD estimated move kind of small, so I'm not watching AMD. Oh, AMD has earnings Tuesday. Let's see if AMD does earnings. What did they do last time? They sold off and ripped. So I'm going to kind of watch that, see if they sell off and rip or push and dip. And that one. Amazon. Definitely want to watch Amazon. Big estimated move Thursday with Apple. Kind of pricing in almost a 7% move. So watching this one, a lot of consolidation. Amazon's been pretty strong. Google, continuation. Definitely watching Google's continuation up to 136. Kind of two gap fills here on the daily. Seems like it filled one gap and then kind of came down. If it could continue to push up, of course, with the AI reference. Meta's just still going. But this week kind of has a small estimated move. Last week, what it did last week. This was last week's estimated move on Meta. Was 324 to 264. Even with earnings, 324 was right here. So once it actually hit it on the wick after earnings, sold off, came up to this 324 again, and sold off a little bit again. So these estimated moves are pretty solid. Microsoft just slowly going. I want to see this trend change. So we kind of have a kind of flagging down. Definitely watching it to hold. Definitely looks like it's flagging down into that 330 level. So definitely, if it breaks that 330, you can tell some downside. But every time we get past that, we kind of break up. So watching that on Microsoft, Nvidia just seems to keep going, kind of making an uptrend. Want to see it break above that 478, which is kind of the monthly high. Kind of seems like its previous consolidation, like right here. All of April was just sideways. We finally broke above that 281. You can tell we broke above, continued up. Another consolidation, broke above. Nice retest there at 440. Continuation up. So definitely watching. Kind of 475. See if it can break above and continue back up. And Tesla, small estimated move. I thought it was last week on Tesla. Tesla really didn't do much the past 2 weeks. So I think Tesla's getting ready for something. Definitely keep that on watch. Nice breakout, but Tesla was leading the market on this push up. So time for Tesla to cool down a little bit. Definitely watching these two estimated moves. Kind of a break and hold of 281 going forward. Other than that, definitely going to keep watching BABA. BABA should hit this 103, 105 area. Nice breakout from here. We had a false breakout here. I think I had calls there. Came down. Continued up. Definitely watching coin on earning or on Robinhood earnings. See what continues from that. Neo kind of missed this one. I really want Neo over like 11 or even over 8. strong move there. Roku, want to see continuation on this, or it's going to fade. Definitely kind of watching that fib retracement. But this is pretty much the way I like to trade. You can see, look at this 67, 68 line. You have a broken, hold as support. See, it held support here. Broke below, became resistance. Broke above, test that support at open. We come back down. Where do we come back down to? We come back down to that support. We consolidate down to a support or demand, and then we take off. So easy way. But that's going to do it for me. Hit that like button. Apex Trader, 80% off. Take advantage of that. Be live trading probably most of next week when my son goes to school. And use code SAVE80 or GeForce 50. Link is in the bio for my affiliate code. Appreciate if you guys use that. Y'all have an amazing rest of your day. Probably miss most of Monday. Son's going to school for the first time. I have to take my car in, but I'll be here. Appreciate you guys.